I want to take a picture of the dog. What, is it recording right now?
What do you want?
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it is recording.
Take a picture of the dog.
Take a picture or you want to record the dog?
Or you want to record him?
Record him.
Hey everybody, Sheikah. I'm videotaping the dog for you now.
Hi, doggy.
Hi, doggy.
Jesus, huh?
I want to put the glasses on.
Look how nice this dog is, everybody.
I want to put the glasses on.
Justin, put him down, Justin. You want to see him?
You're blind. You're blind.
What?
Put the glasses on.
Spray, I'm videotaping the dog.
I give you pizza.
Justin, put him down, Justin. We want to see him on the floor.
I'm not putting on his glasses.
Nice. I'm gonna give you guys a size thing. This is my foot. This is how tiny the dog is. My foot doesn't even
Don't put your foot by the dog.
come next to him. Take from there. That's how small the dog is, Sheikah.
Go down, doggy.
Alright, I had enough of this dog. Alright, say bye, dog.
Bye.
Let me see your Jinx face. Nice.